Good morning, students. Students, as we are learning English textbook, we also have to study my book of grammar and composition. Here the contents are 19 worksheets of grammar, 7 worksheets of vocabulary, 4 of comprehension, and writing worksheets are 3. It includes paragraph writing, essay writing, and formal and informal letter writing. So, let's begin with worksheet 1, kinds of sentences, page 1. Before I teach you kinds of sentences, I would first ask you a question. What is a sentence? Answer: a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It must contain a subject and a verb. For example, a good Sanya girl is. This sentence does not make any sense. The words are not in the correct order. Now read these words. Sanya is a good girl. These words make sense because they are in the correct order. Let's take one more example. I love studying grammar English. Does this sentence make any sense? No. Now, we shall put the words in correct order. I love studying English grammar. This is a correct sentence. Now, you have to do question 1 of page 1. Reorder these words to make sentences. Begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. I will read these sentences to you. A. My has sons neighbor too. B. This very garden beautiful is. C. Ashok the invited friends for has birthday party his. D. I not eat chips should every day. E. Like I music. F. One has the match school hockey. So these are the 6 sentences you have to do. Tomorrow I will tell you the correct answer. Now listen, my dear students, make a separate grammar notebook and do this worksheet 1, question 1 time in your notebook. Students, also I am going to give you English homework. in your school app. I had taught you the poem Recess, explained, and now I will do the exercises of this poem. Question 1. Meanings. Recess, the break between school classes. Second one, with might and main, with all their strength. Third, with quiet air, looking quiet. Question number 2, answer. During the recess, what do the children in this poem do? During the recess, children run, jump, laugh, shout, and few in groups they walk about. Question 2. Why does no one wins? Answer. No one wins because very soon the bell rings out for school again. Question 3. What names are used for recess in your school? Answer. Long break and short break. Question 4. How do you spend your recess? Describe in 2 or 3 lines. This answer you must write on your own. This recess meanings and question answers you must write in your English notebook. On a new page, write the heading recess and write these meanings and question answers. Did you understand, my dear students? Okay. This is enough for today. Thank you.